compare with other products and decide whether I need this product. That is uh, this shopping goods, right? Then specialty goods means it's a special to us. It's showing the status, jewelry, right? Nowadays Apple phone also become a specialty goods, right? We are trying to buy these products, and finally if we buy the products, it will be nothing for us. It's like a becoming chartered accountant. You are trying to become a chartered accountant. Once you become a chartered accountant, nothing else. Same life will be going, but your salary level, your post, and your everything will be increased. But you are eating. You can't eat more than 3-4 roti. Same life is going, but your status will be increased anyway, right? So that may be specialty products. Specialty product means very expensive product. It will show you your status, right? It's not like a convenience product or shopping goods, right? It will not be a shopping goods. Do you compare the gold price in 2-3 jewelry and buying? Each jewelry has the same price. So you buying for, you are showing the status, right? Then unsold goods. These goods are in the customers did not realize they needed. Typical example are new and sometimes gimmicky products, such as the wardrobe organizers on fire resistance car polish. Unsold goods. We are buying this, but sometime will not buy. Fire extinguisher also good example. We are keeping fire extinguisher in our home. We don't use it, but some companies are some homes are don't buy this product unsold. We whether we don't want the product or not, right? It's like a bed sheet. If you want the bed sheet when you sleep, it may be unsold goods, even though you buy the bed sheet, but definitely once you sleep and once you waking up, bed sheet will not be over your body, will not be under the bed also sometimes, right? We know the product, we need the product, but we are not having that much of demand on that product, right? It means unsolved. I'm taking very good simple example. It means some products are having the demand on a special time. If fire extinguisher is not there, if fire accident occur in your home, then only you realize I need this fire extinguisher. It's like a Mortin, right? When cockroach and that insects are not there in your place, you don't need to buy the Mortin. In night time, if many cockroach came to your room, so you find the Mortin. Unfortunately I did not buy this Mortin, this Baygon. So if you buy that, you can send this cockroach, or you can kill this cockroach. So it's like that. Unsold goods. There is a product, but we don't know whether it will be need for us, right? Biscuit. I take a simple example. Furniture for the shopping goods. Shoes also shopping goods, right? And TV. So TV also shopping goods. So industrial good classification. Industrial goods are it's like this. Industrial goods classification means we having the industrial goods or industrial service also. Sometimes installation, we are receiving the machine and installing in our place, right? Then accessories. Then one the computer may be the installation goods, but once the mouse is damaged or mouse is broken, will you buy the whole computer? You buy the only mouse, so it will be accessories, right? Raw material also same thing. Example, last raw materials are industry goods used for the production, right? It's a good industrial goods. I already told business by can buy the fixed asset and the raw material. Raw material can be used for the industrial, right? In the printing and stationery, that is also industrial goods used by the company. If using the house or home, or students, it will be a consumer goods, right? It will be a convenience goods, sometimes shopping goods also. Sometimes files are looking about their quality and buying. So sometimes shopping goods, files, plastic files, box files, those things. Then components also like the accessories, then supplies. It is not the standard classification. It's like examples. Supplies such as office stationery, cleaning materials, right? Components and accessories are different in this way. Accessories, without accessories we can work somehow, but without components we cannot work. Computer, if a computer can work without mouse, but computer will not work without CPU, right? Even though without mouse we can control through the keyboard and work, then it will be accessories, right? So CPU for the monitor will be component. Monitor to the CPU. See, I told in another way, computer means the CPU will be the main computer. Then monitor is the screen for the CPU. So if screen is not there, we can't work. So that will be a component. These are the examples. Then product attributes. Product attributes means if you take one product, this product has some feature. If product you can physically physical touch and physically taste and physically feel, it will be a tangible attribute. But if you see the product, you realize some feeling, and you realize if apple, right? You know apple's taste. What is the apple taste? The taste will be tangible, intangible. Apple's color and apple shape will be intangible. Do you know the taste of the dragon fruits? Dragon fruits is a light pink color, inside white color. It's like a it's like a pepper, but color is not a pepper. Color is not a orange or red. Color is white. White color is small. It's like a pepper. Small. It's like small black color. This one's there, balls there, right? So it will be tasty. If you don't know the taste, right? You don't say this fruit's taste. It's like a ninja fruits also there. It's very less in Sri Lanka. No, in Sri Lanka there is no ninja fruit in Sri Lanka. Chinese fruit. So we know the tangible only. You can see in the video. Type the ninja fruit in Google and see. You can see the video, but you can't taste. The taste and satisfaction and getting the value is the intangible, right? So it's intangible, right? So product life cycle. In product life cycle, in your syllabus, very less syllabus, less part is given. Product life cycle means once the production produce when the product introduced from the market, right? When they introduce, there will not be sale, right? In y-axis you can see the sales. In x-axis you can see the time. Once the period going, the production's demand will increase. Then your sales also increase, right? Then once the customer know about the taste and value of this product, they will tell about that product to other customers. Other customer also buy, then increase. Once that come here, right? After that, economies of scope, right? After that, we don't have any taste on that. It's a maturity. It's like a TV. For example, TV and telecommunications are in a maturity level nowadays. And radio also. Sometimes decline. Some products are going out from the market. Some products are not available now. Can you see the Samaposa that they introduced something? I don't exactly remember the name. They introduced small pack Samaposa. In school time sport meets also we are taking that. Just 10 rupees or 15 rupees. So with the sugar, everything is mixed and they selling. I don't remember the name. So that is decline. That is finished. No anymore. The Walls ice cream is not there in Sri Lanka now. Walls ice cream more famous in those days. In 2000 to 2010, Walls ice cream are more famous. Now no Walls ice cream, so decline. Right, some products are coming introduction and going through the growth and maturity and decline. In your syllabus, that is Mendelov matrix is not Mendelov matrix. Beston matrix is not there. Beston matrix, they saying some products are star, some products are it's like the yeah. Some products are star. This is star, right? Star means growth product. It is growing in the market. That's why star. You can say this person is star in this era. So he is going to grow. So some product are cash cow, right? Cash cow, right? Some product are dog. Cash cow means it is already caught the market. From that products, it's a product classification, right? From that product, we receiving the money. So one product, this product is growing. This means still not catch the market, but it's going to the maturity level. Some products are already in the maturity level, so it give the more cash to us. For Dialog, postpaid packages are cash cow for them, giving more money to them, right? It's a dog. Dog means decline. Even though once the dog is can't run or can't bark, we don't need that dog. It is not good for our security because it no use. It's getting old. If you bring that dog somewhere else and keep there, if you come to the home, dog also will come behind you. So it will be there, but declining. No cash is creating, but keeping in our product name as a name only. Sometime in the future it may become, right? Sometime I told that Samaposa introduced this small pack with the everything mix, sugar and Samaposa mix. Sometime in future it may become Walls ice cream also in sometime future come. In sometime future phones also will not be used, and radio and TV can be used, right? Then some product star, cow, dog, and some product is there. It is not in your syllabus. It's a Boston classification. Boston Matrix product portfolio it is called. One is question mark. This one is question mark, right? You can write in the name star, cash cow, question mark, in the dog only, right? Question mark means it's in introduction stage. We don't know whether it will be grow. Introduction stage, no. We don't know whether it will be grow or whether it will be lose. It will be go to the star or go to the dog, right? This is not in your syllabus to understand this. Boston says, he invented this. Boston says, if one company having this all type of products, it will definitely catch the market share. If you have the cash cow, one product use giving the more cash means we can use that cash for the star and question mark to improve that, right? It means that cash cow should have. We need the product that is established in the market to take the cash from customer. It should be there. It's like a Virat Kohli in the India team, right? Run machine. He is a run machine. If it is there, definitely score more than 100, more than 50, right? So question mark means growing players. We can use his technique and his knowledge to them, and we can use them. Otherwise they can leave from them, right? So growing also there. It's like a Rahul in Indian team, right? So growing should be there. It means the question mark means inverted products should be there. It's always companies should invert something new, some new products to the market, because previous product has been tested and previous products already went to the customers and they know about the product. If new products, and customer will switch to that product. If new product produced by competitor, customer definitely switch to other product. That's why we have to invent the new product. That's why question mark definitely need. At dogs we don't need. Once the cash cow is finishes, automatically dogs comes. It is not strategy. It is a limitation, right? Star should be there. Question mark should be go to the star, not the dog, right? I am taking these technical words. Please use this will be star, right? This will be question mark. This will be cow. This will be dog, right? Star. This is star, right? This is cow. This is dog. And this is question mark, right? I'm giving another picture to understand. So here you may confuse. Introduction is upside. So here downside. I'm showing different ways because in your exam maybe come in different pictures, right? Otherwise sales also come in there and time also come in here. If sales come time and go here and there, then your graph also may be different. Time is went here and sales is went here, so it's going like here, right? Understand this, right? Understand the meaning. That's why I given the different photos to understand that. So from here it's declining, right? From here it's declining. From here declining. Once the declining, we introduce and add some feature and increase. There are 3 strategies there from that place, right? That is not in your syllabus. I'm just giving the understanding. It means relaunch the product or exit the product or going to the niche market, right? Take the radio. Radio can be relaunched with a big buffer, big new Bluetooth, wireless connection, pen drive connection. That is a relaunch the product. Relaunch it as a new, but radio, but new. In previous radio only we can put the gazette and CD. Nowadays radio come with the pen drive, wireless. You can connect to your phone to the radio. So radio can be sold, right? It's a best strategy. Otherwise we can exit. We can throw the radio. We can reduce, stop the production. Otherwise we can produce the same product but niche market. We only sell radio to the vehicles only. Vehicles are still using radios. So 3 strategies there. You don't need that. I don't think it will be tested in your exam. If tested, please write that. Then they explains in words. It's explained. Then we learn about place. Place our product is distributed. Where I am selling this product, where place, physical place is there. So channel and distribution. Channel means where a product sold, supermarket or corner shop, which outlet will be chosen. 0 level distribution is where the organization sells directly to the customer. In 1 level distribution, it's a distribution and logistic location of warehouse. So supermarket is there in Colombo, but our warehouse in Mathura means if the stock is not there in supermarket, from Mathura to Colombo, transportation is very expensive and very far. So we have to keep the logistic near to the supermarket. So we have to keep different warehouse separate place, right? That's why 2 are very need. Channel where I sell the product. To sell the product, to keep the product in that channel, from where I take the product and give it to that channel. That is second one, logistic, right? Then promotion is the many of the practical activities of the marketing department are related to promotion. Promotion is we have to notify our marketing, promotion, advertisement. These 3 are confusing in your questions. Marketing means broad definition. activities involving all the activities involving. That is 4 P's. Write the 4 P's. Production there. Then price should be set, and promotional activities should be carried out, and place should be designed. When place decide, we have to design the channel. We have to allocate our logistic arrangement. This all will be marketing. Promotion means we have to somehow sell this product to customer. Let's persuade customers to buy the product. That is promotion. Not informing about the product, right? If you say I am selling this burger bun, means that is informing, that is advertisement. But if you say I am selling this burger bun with a 50% discount, means promotion. But if you give the free of charge of some buns and taking giving customers to taste the bun, that is promotion, free of charge, right? There is a promotion, right? So many activities promotion. Promotion is the element of the mix or which the marketing department generally is most control. A useful mnemonic is a AIDA, which summarizes the aims of the promotion. AIDA means this: advertisement, attention, arouse attention, generate interest, customer attention. Customer attention has to be created. Then interest, generate interest. We have to create the interest, right? First, we have to say, customer, I have this product. Second one, make the customers to buy this product, right? They inspire desire, persuade customers to want to own this product. They initiate action, buy the product, right? Advertising, then encouraging, then make the interest to the customer's mind, customer's heart, and sell the product, right? Then promotion in the marketing mix includes the marketing communication, which later, so whole thing, same thing I explained. Element of success letter, which must be well planned and executed. Effective method of communication, overall effective promotion. We have to communicate effectively, and we have to do correct method to show this product is good to customer, right? Many activities there are promotional mix. This is called promotional mix. Don't mix the marketing mix and promotional mix. This is a marketing mix, also have the mix. The price also have the pricing mix, right? Production also the production mix, right? Different. That is not in your syllabus. It's fortunately you don't have in syllabus. There are 6 promotional activities. First one is personal selling. Personal selling means you can see in your home someone come and saying I have this product and sell detergent powder. Previously detergent powders are sold by this personal selling, right? That is there. Second one, direct marketing. Direct marketing, we are contacting the customer directly through the email. Only one customer we are marketing. So some nowadays very famous through the email. Campus and universities, the private universities are advertising their courses to the student. That is direct marketing. The advertisement means promotional activity that's put into the mass market. We have to personal selling means we are going to the customer's place and sell. Direct marketing means direct marketing, not a direct selling. Direct marketing means we are only involved in to do all the marketing activities on over the one person, not the sales marketing, right? Advertisement means we are informing about our product to the whole market, whole Sri Lanka, whole world. That is advertisement. Then sales promotion involves giving the discount, giving the free gifts, giving the buy one get one, like that, right? Then public relation, social sponsorship, social arrangements are taken by Coca-Cola company. Sometimes Coca-Cola company giving the keeping the some sports, and otherwise Milo company you can see in Nestle company in sport meets or in parade time, in big match time, so they will distribute the Milo freely. Red Bull company doing in in some organizations, some schools, they are sponsoring. So we know this Red Bull company sponsor for our school, so we love this Red Bull, we have to drink this. So with that promotional activity, we are tasting that good. After that we will addict to that good. That is and also we will have the good good brand image, they are doing good things for social, so we have to help them. We will buy that product, right? We can buy the booster also, but booster, if booster don't do does not do this public relations, but only Red Bull doing, we are going for Red Bull, right? In your level, you are very in junior level, so you don't think about those things. Once you finish the chartered, you will understand really public relations is very important to do the business. In case study, in a strategic level, mainly focus on the corporate social responsibility. Corporate social responsibility very important for the doing the business. Then branding, giving the brand name by quality, that is a promotion. The Coca-Cola brand name, no one will forget that, right? Likewise, Elephant House, no one will forget that name. So branding. So personal selling also, I already explained this, so just have an idea. Closing the sales, the opening, need and problem identification. Slide no. First opening. First one is opening. Opening means we have to start the that promotional activity. That's opening. Then we talk to the customer and ask about their problems. Then we will present and demonstrate the problem. We will present that problem to our company, organization, and we will find out the good products. And after that product, we will go to the customer and give the product. And customer say, no, this product is good, or this product is bad. That is their objection will be taken, right? Then negotiate with them, and again we give the new product, and price also decided by them and us, and finish the sales, give the product. Good example is credit card. Sometimes credit card sales are done in the homes. Sometimes that NTB, HSBC representative are calling us and ask, say we got your name from the Chartered Institute, we need to meet you to sell the credit card. He comes and see, we are giving 1 million limitation. I will say, I don't need 1 million, I need 2 million of credit limit. He will go and ask to the bank officer, and he will come again and sell the product to me. So for chartered account, he can give any credit limit. So that is personal selling. Based on the customer preference, it will be different. Then direct marketing advertising is the mass production. So purpose of it, promote the sales or create the image or promote organization idea. Our idea should be given to the customer. Then support personal selling, offset computer. If Pepsi doing the one advertisement, if Coca-Cola does not do, Coca-Cola thing is not good, we have to do. So to compete with us also may be done. So remind and reassure, remind the products, even the customer knows Coca-Cola, we know the product, but even though we know the product, they still doing the advertisement campaign. Why is that? Then sales promotion, a promotional activity, increase the short-term sales volume. It's maybe giving the coupon, giving the gift vouchers, prizes, premium points, privileges points, money refunds. Money refunds means if the product is not good, money will be given to you. It's also one of the promotional activity. Then the point of sales display. Price promotion is a activity. Then public relations, sponsorship, to business communication. This is scope of PR, very broad. Some frequent technique are as follows. Consumer marketing support. The consumer and trade press releases to secure media coverage, product service, literature, special events, publicity stunts. The consumer marketing support to give the sponsorship and public relations activity to the directly the customer, directly to the consumer, right? Then consumer will be then business to business. We are sometime if you can see in Coca-Cola company, if they say if you get the dealership of the Coca-Cola, I will give you the fridge freely, I will give you the refrigerator freely, so you can keep only my drinks, or otherwise you can keep any drinks. So it's a business to business. right? So internal employee communication, we keep in the employees best way and increase our brand value. So sometimes saying if Eliso John Keel's company, definitely the employees are treated good, right? So they will go outside and talk about that. Very difficult to find a job in Alice and John Keel's company or Deloitte audit firm also, right? So those type of organizations have some brand name. Because of this, employees value is increased if work there. Then corporate external public affairs, then financial public relation, everything are same, so will not be tested in that much. Just understand this thing. Then branding, brand name, symbols, the anchor. In anchor milk powders, anchor symbol is there. If anchor tell, it will come. You can see in before advertisement, the one baby come and sleep in that anchor. So it's a logo, right? Then price, there are main three influence there. That is called 3C's. Decide the price. First one is cost. If your cost is 50 rupees, can you sell less than 50 rupees? So cost is very important, right? If you 50 rupees, you will definitely sell more than 50 rupees, even though 1 rupee added and sell to make the 1 rupee. That's why cost is important. Then competition. So even though competitors sell 75 rupees, can I sell at 100 rupees? Definitely go for that. That's why we need to compare with competitors. Then customer. That based on the customer, can you that's why based on the customer, they are in flight and trains, economy class is there, low class is there, second class is there, first class is there. Based on the customer, they decide the price, right? That's why the other prices, other elements affect the price is bulk purchase discount. If customer will say, if I purchase 50 eggs, you should give the discount, otherwise no point of buying this 50 eggs. Definitely we have to give. Bulk pages should have the discount. Then credit offer. So how much of credit you will offer? If competitor offer 30 days credit, you should also have, give the 30 days credit. If you give the 15 days, I will go for them. Then method of payment. So nowadays, if credit card payment is not there, you will definitely will not go in that shop. Very difficult to bring the big cash with your hand. So method of payment also important. Then competitors action and reaction. It is based on the competitor action and reaction. Our responsibility to the marketing mix will be changed. You can understand that. If competitor reduce the price, we have to reduce the price. If competitor change the product, we have to change the product. If competitor doing the some advertisement or campaign for promotion, we have to change that also. If place is changed, if Food City in ice cream is sold in Food City, we also have to sell at Food City that ice cream. That's a competition, right? That's quality. That is if based on the competitors action, we have to react. We should react. Otherwise, we have to go out from the market. That's why many companies, if you don't have the money to compete with customers, definitely go out from the market. Then quality connotation. In the absence of other information, some customers tend to judge quality by price. Therefore, price change may send signals to customer concerning the quality of the product. A rise may be taken to indicate improvement. Reduction may signal. It is mostly used for the cigarette. All cigarettes are having the same taste. But if you sell the cigarette at 50 rupees for everyone, rich person will see this 50 rupees is not good. 50 rupees cigarette is very cheap. We don't need to buy this. If sell at 500 rupees, he will definitely buy to show the status. Quality connotation means price quality. Based on the price, customer decide the quality. If your shirt is 1000 rupees, if I say my t-shirt is 1000 rupees, you definitely say he bought at the somewhere payment and it's not good. If I say 5000, you will definitely see this is good t-shirt he wear, definitely it's a branded t-shirt. Then new product pricing. These are the technical words. It's a addition to your syllabus, right? Most pricing decision for existing product related to price changes. Such changes ever reference point from which move existing price, but when a new product is introduced for the first time, there may be no such preference point, and therefore pricing decision will be difficult to make. So new production price cannot be decided quickly. It should be given to the market based on the supply and demand. That's why it's saying. So intermediate custom is like this. If a Samsung A60 is a model of the phone, if it's launched at a 60,000, if A70 is launched, it should be more than that, because A70 is more latest than A60. Maybe, I don't know exactly, more than that. If you reduce that price, they will say, but they reduce the price. That's why Apple phones are taking the more price when new versions comes. The multiple products, we definitely need the more product. I already told that in the Boston metrics, we need the many products to show that the service. I already explained this. It's a question, very nice question. Differentiates between strategic and technical marketing, and provide an example. Strategic marketing covers a long-term decision market to operate. I already told deciding the what product to produce or what location I have to choose to produce. Second one, once the production or location is done, how I sell this product to the customer, how I persuade customers to buy this product. That is technical marketing. Then service characteristic is given. What is service characteristic? It's the intangible, inseparability, heterogeneity, and perishability, ownership. The intangibility means service will only be lack of substance, which is involved with service delivery. Unlike goods, there are no substance, material, physical aspect service, no taste, feels, visible presence, and so on. You can't see the service, right? Service can be feel only. That is intangibility. The inseparability, then cutting the air and person can be separate. If we separate, we don't receive that service. That is inseparability. Then heterogeneity, lack of maintenance consistency. Many services face the problem of maintenance consistency, because if cut the air today, after 1 month, if you cut the same person cut your hair, definitely will be different. It cannot be same cut, even though single millimeter different is there. If you say please cut a same as that, you definitely cut that. It's like a kissing a girlfriend. If you kiss the girlfriend today, and kiss the girlfriend in next month, both will be different, will not be same, right? Then perishability, service is cannot be stored. Once a service is given, we should take, right? Once a service is given, we should take. We can't stop. Don't cut today, and I keep you for night. Come at night and cut. We can't say that. It cannot be stopped. Then ownership cannot be differentiated from ownership. It cannot be a transfer. My lecturing and another lecturer's lecturing will be different. It's my ownership, right? Then end of the session. And marketing is very simple subject. Don't try to give more time on this. Please read the words carefully. Otherwise, listen the words carefully. It is enough to pass the exam, right? So thank you. Good luck.